Here's one of my favorite protein shakes. It's by Jocko. It's a banana cream flavor. It has about 30 grams of protein and only 160 calories. And honestly, it's so good. If you ever see these, you should pick it up because it has pretty good ingredients in it and they taste really good. There's no chalky aftertaste. Let me know in the comments if you have any other recommendations or flavors of what I should try, because this one is my favorite so far. Peel off the lid. Smells really good. That is really nice, and for 30 grams of protein, that's a pretty good shake.